everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm bringing you guys an everyday makeup routine that I use for school. I love this makeup routine. It stays on all day. It looks so pretty. I love this lip combo. So I hope you guys are excited to watch this. If you are new to my channel, hi, my name is Emily. All the products that I do use in this video are high-end, so I'm sorry if you wanted more like of a drugstore look, but a lot of the products I use are high-end. So sorry about that. But if you guys do want a drugstore makeup tutorial, let me know in the comments down below. But I hope you guys are excited for this video. I really do love this makeup look, and I feel like I should stop talking, so let's go straight into this video. So for primer, I'm going to be using the No Pore Problem. I got this in my BoxyCharm. It is from Touch and Sol, which has been a really good primer for me. Works really well for pores and covering all your imperfections. I just try to use a little bit. So now that I just finished with my primer, I'm going to go in with my lids, and I just go in with the MAC Soft Ochre Paint Pot. So when I use this product, I go in with a small concealer brush, and I just apply it one lid at a time because, oh my god, guys, look at how much I just put on the freaking brush. Because I realized when I put it on both eyes at the same time, it tends to dry up when it's waiting on the lid for it to be blended. So I rather just go in with one eye. If you guys see me looking at my mirror over here, because it's too big for me to have it in the front. And then I go in with my beauty blender and I just blend it out. Then we're going to do the same process to the other eye. Now to set my eyes, I like to go in with the Tartelette and Bloom palette. I go in with Charmer and Flower Child, and I just set my eyes with this big blending brush. And this brush is from the Morphe Jaclyn Hill collection. It's in the number JH30. But hey guys, how are you? I got a couple questions from my IG story. I asked you guys if you wanted this to be like a chit chat or like Q&A video, and you guys like literally said both. It was like 50-50. So both is what I'm going to be doing. For the first half of the video, I'm going to answer your questions, and then afterwards we're going to chit chat. So hope you guys are excited. Okay, so for the first question, it is, what is your favorite food? And I'm gonna have to go with steak. I love steak. With my tacos, I get steak. When I go out to restaurants, I order churrasco. Like, I'm really a steak girl. I love steak. Like, if I can never go vegan because of steak. Like, I would miss it too much. So now I'm gonna go with my Too Faced Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer. I'm gonna go over my pimples because they're a little red, so that when I apply the foundation, you really can't see them. I love this concealer. It is so great, guys. It's really similar to Tarte Shape Tape. But this, I feel like this might be thicker than the Tarte one. Both great. Love it. So then I'm just going to go in with that and blend it afterwards. So to update you guys a little, I'm in my, I almost said fourth. I'm in my second year of college. Life has been great so far. Grades are good. I have a really long schedule. On Mondays and Wednesdays, I'm in school from 9:45 until 7:30. Sometimes I like to apply it over my nose because my nose is a little red too. So I usually have my longest days there, but I have a lot of breaks, so in between there, that's when I start to edit my videos and do all of that and my homework. So it's kind of convenient because then I'm not that busy when I get home. So the second question is, what are you afraid of? And honestly, little fears. I'm afraid of bugs, like spiders, all of that. I'm afraid of scary movies. I still go to Fright Fest though because it's really fun and like really like spooky, and I like it. But if we're talking like in general, I feel like I'm really like scared of not knowing what to do and like being lost in life. I feel like it's one of those like just not knowing like if my career is gonna work out well and like stuff like that. Like kind of just like, I don't know if that's a good enough answer, but like that's what I'm like afraid of. So for foundation, I'm going in with the Anastasia Luminous foundation. I'm in the color 355N. I really love this foundation. I'm not a dewy girl, but this foundation has really been like I love this foundation, and like I'm okay with it being dewy. So I'm gonna do like 2 to 3 pumps with this foundation. Yeah, so back to school. If you guys don't know, I'm majoring in fashion merchandising and I go to LIM. I really love my school. I'm only taking 4 classes this semester. Art management, I'm taking English, fabrics for fashion, which is like a textiles class. And then I'm also taking Intro to the Beauty Industry, which is really fun. I love that class. So far, homework hasn't been that crazy. It's been okay. Had a couple tests, done great, which is great. I've been posting more often on my YouTube. That's great. What else can I chit chat about? I'm also going to Rolling Loud, guys. I am so freaking excited. I'm going to obviously the New York one. So many people are going to be there. I'm so excited for Travis. I don't know if you guys know, but I went to Gov Ball last year, like 2018, and it was really fun. Okay, so my camera stopped filming because the battery died, but I just finished applying my Too Faced Born This Way concealer. Now moving on to powders, I'm going to do the Studio MAC Fix powder. This is in the shade NW35. The next question would be, what is your daily routine? My daily routine on the weekday usually just consists of me doing my makeup, waking up, doing my makeup, eating, going to school, doing homework, hanging out with friends here and there, eating again. Sometimes if I have time, I go to the gym. Yeah, that's practically like my day. If you guys want to see a morning routine or night routine, let me know in the comments down below. So after setting my face, I like to go in with the Kylie setting powders, and this is in the color Soft Pink. I love this product, guys. You don't even understand. And it's actually like cheaper than the Laura Mercier one. Then I just go with putting this product under my eyes. I put it on my chin, and then with the brush I put it on my forehead. Okay. Then with this flat brush from Morphe, flat setting brush, I just go in and I put it on my forehead. Then my next question is from my cousin, and she said, who's your favorite cousin? That question, that's a really good question. It might be her. Oh my god, I said it. I can't believe I said that. But Giselle, you know I love you. So I really just like to like F shit up with this like loose powder, honestly. I just love it so much, guys. Then I like to go in and bronze up my face with the Hoola Benefit bronzer. This is the huge size. This is like the 64 ounce one, I think it is. Oh no, 56 ounce. It was close. I love this product. It's so good. Love it. And I just go in with my Makeup Shack brush in the number T20. And I just apply to my forehead, cheekbones, and I also go in with my nose, but I use a different brush for my nose, obviously. What else can I talk to you guys about? So actually, here's a perfect topic to talk about: my hair. So as you guys know, my hair is color treated or whatever. I use tons of products for my hair, like nothing new, you know, your girl has curly hair. So I'm on the hunt for new curly hair products. Like I love my Verb Curl Cream, and it's been actually working really well, and I just realized that I was just like using it wrong, because it worked for me a couple of times and then it stopped, and then I was like, what am I doing wrong? It looked so good the first couple of times, but it's just because there was one product that from Verb that I was missing. So I'm on the hunt for new curly hair products though. Like I want to try out new things. I don't want my hair to get used to just one product. And the Diva Curl products, like they still work well, but like my hair just always looks different depending the hair product. So if you guys have any curly hair recommendation products to use, shampoo, conditioners, hair mask, anything, leave them down in the comments below because I really need the help. Then for blush, I like to go in with the Morphe blush palette. This is in the 9B. I've had this for the longest. I don't even know if they sell these anymore, but we're gonna go in with this color right there. This one right here. Yeah, I always use this color, guys. It's like my life. Yeah, so new hair products is definitely like a must. Oh, I was talking about Rolling Loud before my camera shut off. So I'm going to Rolling Loud, guys. I'm so excited. I don't really listen to that much hip hop, but a lot of the artists that are going, like, I listen to and I started listening to now, but I just thought it was going to be really cool. I went to Gov Ball. That was like my first festival, so now I'm going to Rolling Loud. I'm really excited. I'm very excited for Travis Scott. I saw him when I went to Gov Ball, and he's an amazing performer, and I'm just really excited, guys. Now I'm just removing the loose powder off my face. Okay, so then for my eyebrows, I like to go in and gel them now once I finish with like all my powdered products and like foundation and concealer. And I'm using the Anastasia Brow Gel. Looks like this. Favorite brow gel of all time. And I'm just going to do that. Oh my god, I hate when I'm gelling my brows and my hair gets stuck to the gel. Yay, brows look good, even though I need to get my eyebrows done. So then after that, I like to go in with my bottom lashes. And recently I've just been using the Colossal Mascara from Maybelline. I just think it has a really easy brush for my bottom lashes. So I try to take off as much as mascara I could take off the wand because I don't want to OD on. And then I don't know how I'm going to do this on camera, but I take a Post-it and I really hate when I have mascara on my, like, under my eyes. So let's see how I'm going to do this while on camera. Yeah, I don't think I'm going to be able to do this on camera. Or maybe I'll just try without the Post-it. Oh my god. And like I said, like, if I ever have like too much mascara on my bottom lashes, I kind of go in with my hand and I just like take it off. Because I feel like I have too much. Okay. Now after that, I'm going to curl my regular lashes. And this is also a wand that I got from, it's from Pure, but I got it from BoxyCharm. I'm trying to see what else is exciting about my life. My life's not even that exciting, guys. Like, I don't do much. I'm also going camping this week. This video is probably going to be uploaded in the same week, so excited for that. I don't know if I should vlog for that. I don't think I'm going to do it anyways because it's not, like, we don't really do much over there anyways, so like, what's the point of vlogging? And then I have Rolling Loud, and then I'm going to a concert 3 weeks, so October's going to be exciting. Then hopefully after that it's Halloween parties, so a lot going on and I'm really excited. So now for mascara, this, oh my god, the name's already rubbing off. This is the Tarte Big Ego mascara. I also got this in BoxyCharm. Love it. This mascara is amazing, very volumizing. And then I'm gonna go in with the Better Than Sex mascara from Too Faced after to make my lashes longer, because this is really good at volume and a little bit at length, but I usually just go with the next one anyways. Now going with the Better Than Sex mascara, even though I feel like I kind of don't need it, but we're going to apply a little bit anyways. But I go in with this small little brush for my highlighter, but I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Amrezy highlighter. Oh my god, honestly, it sucks that this is limited edition because it's going to make me really sad when I run out of this highlighter, man. Like, I don't know what I'm going to do with my life. I really freaking don't. So I just apply it on my cheeks, my forehead, under my eyebrows, my nose, Cupid's bow, a little bit on the chin. You know, because I want to be glowing, guys. Like, oh my god. Oh, I live for this. So now for lip, this is usually like my go-to lip combo. So I'm going in with 2 Kylie lipstick. One is the Dolce K lipstick, and the next one is Exposed. And then I go in with the a gloss. This one is from Ulta. The name's kind of like rubbed off on it, so I can't really see, but it says Shine, 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 Wet Look. Yeah, so they have it at the cash register usually, so you should find it there. So with the Dolce K, I go with first. This is kind of like my lip liner. Like, I like it because like it's like a nice dark shade on my lip. And then with Exposed, I hood in the middle, and then so then I kind of just like do that, if that makes any sense. I don't like to use my finger. Then after that, I go with the gloss, and it's a clear gloss, but since I use it over this lip combo usually, it's not you know, clear anymore. But I have another one, so yeah. And then I kind of lightly just tap it on top of the lipstick, and that is it for my everyday makeup look. I love it. I feel like it just looks so nice, but yet the face is still beat. Like, come on now, like so cute. I love this look. But I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you do try it out, let me know. I love the products that I have and that I've been using for my everyday makeup routine. Like, they really have just been such holy grails, and they really hold up throughout the whole day. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you did. Also comment down below for more video content from me that you guys want to see, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye!